Foreign Minister of China spoke to his Pakistani counterpart, Mr. Dar, on April 27th, 3 days ago. And in this he said that there should be a swift and fair investigation into the Pahalgam terror attacks. Now that is quite strange, because when the Urumqi incident happened in 2009, the Chinese did not allow for any global investigators to go into the terror incidents. Likewise, when COVID-19 erupted in China, there was no investigation despite Australian Prime Minister seeking for an investigation into the origins of the virus. So, if the Chinese have not allowed for an investigation, so this suggestion looks quite strange and also problematic.